Hello! Welcome back to Vonsky Cooking Experiment, where I will be cooking different dishes made from ingredients I see in our kitchen. So for today, as you can see, I have a lot of ingredients. To name them, we have the pork, the onion and garlic with the chili. We have the eggplant, the cabbage. We have the beans. We have the okra. We have the bitter gourd. And here we have the kangkong. And we have the shrimp. And we have this small shrimp. We call this balao. So that is all the ingredients I will be including in my video. Oh, I forgot. Sinigang mix. So, you will have an idea what I will be cooking. And my taste tester will be these two.
Hi, I'm Rain Emerald Ilagan. Hi, I'm Ella Antisoria Trispalias.
So, I will now be cooking all of these ingredients. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button to be updated on my other videos that will be coming up sooner than expected. Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye. It's not stopping again. Stop. It's not stopping. Wow. Technical difficulty. And we are back. Now we are gonna cook the ingredients I presented to you. As usual, firstly, that. I will put everything here into one dish. Backstory. Actually, I was supposed to cook only sinigang. But suddenly I realized that I have a channel which is cooking experiment. So I decided to combine two recipes into one. Would that be amazing? I think it would be. Now we put the shrimp. Put the shrimp. Put the shrimp. Like that. If you guys can guess what the other ingredients or the recipe that I will be making, please comment below. And after that, you might as well subscribe. And click the notification button to be updated. There will be plenty of videos like this. Stay tuned. There, we cook it just like that. Oh my goodness, it's so raining here. I will not put any salt because of this. This is already salty. There we go. Mix. Are you still there? We cook, be cook. After this, we go add a little bit of water. The water, like so. You let it boil. In this video, you will be learning 2 types of recipe. The third one would be the combination. So do not skip. Do not close. It will take a while. So just keep on watching. Do whatever you want. This will take a while. We put all the ingredients after it boils. Are you still there? Don't sleep. Pay attention. Oh wait, do you see this? This is the pork. I'm gonna put it in the pan with the boiling water. You will see it again later part. Okay? Okay, let's see. So we now put all the ingredients, but not at once. Should be like this. First, the what you call this? Why am I telling you the cabbage? This is not a cabbage. I forgot the English. Oh my goodness. It's the kalabasa. Squash. Oh my goodness, my brain is buffering. The English of kalabasa is squash. We put that first. Let it be cooked. I am having a hard time thinking what will be the result. PAKBET+SINIGANG. Would anyone like a taste? But just to be on the safe side, I will not put everything I cook into one, but I will finish the sinigang, finish the pakbet, and then after a while, combine them. To be safe, just to be safe. I don't want to waste food. Just like my other video, I separated them and combined them. It was nice. Super nice. Oh my goodness. Let us see. So now we put the eggplant like that. Eggplant. This is a bit salty. Put some. Probably put the beans already. The beans. Something fell. I don't know. Oh my goodness. There we go. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Got an idea for that. Let's let it boil. Oh my goodness, it's already 8 minutes. And you're still here? Congratulations. Please comment if you're still there. We make this fun. Make this channel enjoyable. Interactive. If not, boring. There we go. I think you can skip by this time because it will take a while, but I will put already the ingredients. We're almost there. Last 2 ingredients, so bear with me. You can do it. Come on. Let's do it all the way. Let's do it. Just do it. Oh my. I love vegetables. I love it. This is gonna be a weird encounter. Am I torturing the food or making them delicious? I will know later on. Oh my, this video is taking so long. I don't like it. But I can't do anything about it. We have to cook the veggies. It's nice. So nice. Now the final ingredient, at last. There we go. There we go. The secret to cooking okra is do not let it boil too much. It should be half cooked. Because if you cook it so well, it will become so sticky. Sticky. Okay? And that's that for the first part of our experiment. So we remove this. We add this one. Okay. By this time, I will turn it off. See you on the next part. I will let that boil. Okay? It's taking too long. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, we are now on our next step. We will now be cooking the sinigang. I've already made it so tender so that it will be so yummy. I put there also tomato and onion. Now we will be putting the kangkong. There we go. Just put it there. Put. I will not take most of your time, so I will now fast forward it. I will be now putting the sinigang mix. After that, I will be putting this one. Okay? So the final test would be the taste test. See you in a bit. Thank you. Oh, it's not stopping again. What's wrong with my cell phone? The moment of truth. I will now mix the bed.
Yeah?
pakbet.
Yummy.
I don't know what will happen. So we just put a
put
little
that.
bit. Like that.
Okay.
And put this one.
So,
Sinigang. I have no idea. It's gonna be a joyous moment. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Yummy. I found something. It's yummy.
Let's put a little bit more
Combination
salt.
of two recipes. This one already tastes good alone, and this one also tastes good alone. But
Mix.
mixed, I haven't tasted it yet.
Let's try it. Really? It's yummy.
Taste it. Taste it.
Taste it. Taste it. Taste it. Wait, first I'm gonna taste the soup.
Now,
You
let's
mix
mix
and
that.
put a little bit this.
What?
Okay na yan?
Okay.
Taste
Let me taste. I'll taste the soup first. It's a sinigang pakbet.
I don't know.
Ella, tastes good.
Oh, and you.
Oh my god.
Ella, taste mo muna, taste mo.
It
Taste mo.
tastes like sinigang, the asim. And the pakbet, it tastes so, oh my god.
Anong lasa?
So
Is the combination good?
glorious food.
Can I have the spoon for this?
It's yummy.
Hindi yan spoon para liquids.
I need shrimp.
Wait. I will get one.
Can I get some shrimp?
Wait,
Mm.
shrimp or you want this one?
Shrimp,
This
some
is-
shrimp. I want
This one.
I want
This is good.
shrimp.
Shrimp, the small shrimps.
I will get
The
one.
big ones and the small
Oh,
ones.
these are the small shrimps.
I want
We have here the small shrimps included
They're big
in the
ones.
pakbet. So
Where's the small
these are the small
Oh, you guys.
shrimps. We call this urabang in Bicol.
Wait, do you
And this
even
is the
remove
main
the shell?
ingredient of the pakbet.
Do you even remove the shell?
And
Of
we
the
also
small
have
I want that big shrimp. I'm having that.
shells,
having-
shrimps
already
without
have.
shells
This is small. I asked
included
for
in the pakbet also. So I'm going to give it to
Yay.
Ray.
Oh my
I'm
goodness.
going to give Ella.
Oh my goodness.
You get Baba the talong.
Mhm.
Get it from here.
This one. Ay, shit. Sorry.
Yay.
Okay. Where am I getting?
You're getting different.
I'm sorry. I forgot.
This
Because Rain asked for the shrimps.
Put it there. Mix.
I'm going to shrimp.
So it's a mixture of
There.
this one.
Right, so that's shrimp.
Wait, baby. Nalilito ako sa shrimps mo, baby ko. Kaya, naibigay ko sa'yo. Lahat na shrimps tuloy. So, eto. May mix ko siya. Ayan na, may shrimps ka na.
That's really amazing.
Oh, si Ella, Ayun, may malaki ka ng shrimp po. Yan, shrimp. And I'm going to give you the bitter gourd and, baby, string beans.
Trigger.
And, that's probably
Let's continue.
Yay. This is
baby ko.
yes, tatlo na big
Ella.
shrimp.
Good. Ella. Oh, okay.
That's here. I
I'm
want
also going to get
Mm.
one for me.
That's
like
it.
that.
And another shrimp.
This is full of vegetables.
One,
Just
two,
shrimp,
three. One,
Can I put it there?
two,
pork.
three.
Pour it na.
Isa lang, no? So you want to take two.
I like it. I love it. Let's pour everything.
Mommy, look! There's inside.
Ay, sa ate pala. Natawag na ba? Shit.
No, sinabak mo.
Oh my goodness. Sorry.
Nakano na yun eh?
Mommy, look!
Bahala na magsalak sumuya.
Mama, look!